You guys, the green check mark in QuickBooks is not your friend, or at least it's your friend, but it's the one that you can't really trust for real. In this video, I'm going to show you why the green check mark cannot be trusted, and I'm going to show you the proper way to make sure your balance is correct for whatever bank account, credit card account that you have. Okay, first things first, let's talk about the green check mark. The green check mark in QuickBooks in the Reconcile screen just means that the transactions that you checked off mathematically match the bank statement. Now notice I didn't even say that it means that you checked off the right transactions. It just means mathematically it works. You could have checked the right things, but that's not necessarily true. Now, that's not the point of this video. The check mark does not mean that your bank account is fully reconciled. In other words, it doesn't mean that the balance of your bank account is correct. So with that said, when you're doing your bank reconciliation month to month, you need to, one, get your green check mark. Okay. Like I said, it's our friend, but it's just not our best friend. It's not a good friend. Step two, you need to make sure that there are no unchecked, aka uncleared, aka unreconciled transactions sitting down below in the transactions area. And if so, you have to research them, potentially delete some things, match some things, correct some things, but you can't leave them out there month to month to month because they're throwing off your bank account balance. Now, there are legitimate exceptions. If you wrote a check at the end of the month and it clears the next month, that's fine. Leave that transaction unchecked. It'll get checked off next month. But as for the illegitimate ones, yeah, you got to deal with those. You can't leave them out there. The third step is before you hit reconcile, I want you to run a balance sheet for whatever month that you're reconciling. So if you're reconciling March 2025, I want you to run a balance sheet with an ending date of March 31st, 2025, assuming that that's the actual day that your bank account, that your bank statement ends. And then I want you to look at the balance for the checking account that you're reconciling. And if that balance does not match the ending balance on your bank statement, then you may have a problem. Not necessarily. Remember I talked about the uncleared checks? That is the exception. If it's something that's uncleared, but it's going to clear the following month, no problem. The main thing is if you have a difference between your bank account balance in QuickBooks and the balance as it shows on the bank statement, you need to be able to explain why there's a difference, and it needs to be something that is going to clear in a future month. If you just check off the boxes and leave it at that, your bank reconciliation will very well be wrong. Okay? Now, good news. If you need help fixing an incorrect bank reconciliation, bank balance, or credit card rec, or credit card balance, you can contact me. I do 30-minute QuickBooks help sessions. Absolutely adore helping you guys. Or you can just sign up for bookkeeping and I'll clean it all up for you. Okay? All right. Love you guys. Take care.
This video is for informational and educational purposes only. It is not intended as financial, tax, or accounting advice. For specific advice tailored to your business or financial situation, please consult a qualified professional. QuickBooks Online is a registered trademark of Intuit Inc., and this channel is not affiliated with or endorsed by Intuit.